Let's check the Storm Prediction Center and see what's in play for Georgia today. Let's sit down and let's take a look. Oh, we got an enhanced risk. What's the tornado risk? 2%, wind, 30, hail, 5%. Well, guys, today is going to be a repeat of April 10th. Let me tell you why. April 10th, we had severe storms roll through the area. A lot of people weren't expecting them to roll through because it was sunny. And it's sunny right now. It's a mere staggering 81 degrees. It's June 7th today. And the atmosphere is going to, have the favorable environment to produce some hail. We're going to have golf balls again today. So we're expecting golf ball size hail. 60 to 80 mile per hour winds, and a brief tornado possible. Even though the percentage of tornadoes is 2%, they can still happen. The storms are moving through Arkansas, Mississippi, and Tennessee right now, as I'm speaking, and it's currently dying, but it's supposed to re-intensify as they move through Alabama. So with that being said, will history repeat itself?
There it is!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 386, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Barrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall County,
we got a severe thunderstorm warning.
Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch
Until 9.
Favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the 2 p.m. weather observations.
Okay, guys, so this is fixing to be a repeat of April 10th. Because it is. It's going to be a repeat of April 10th.
Be especially watchful if you are going to be out on the lakes or... The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dam Springs to Eaton to near Ramhurst, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chatsworth, Ellijay, Blue Ridge, Blairsville, Eaton, East Ellijay, Morganton, Suches, Crandall, Jones Mill, Gumlog, Jones Creek, Cohava Wilderness, Beaverdale, Pisgah, Mineral Bluff, Cherry Log, Stover Creek Shelter, Hemp, and Tails Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Georgia, Cherokee County in north central Georgia, Cobb County in north central Georgia, West Central Lupton County in north central Georgia, Southern Gilmer County in north central Georgia, South Central Murray County in northwestern Georgia, Western Dawson County in north central Georgia, Eastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, North Central Fulton County in north central Georgia, Pickens County in north central Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Carter's to near Yorkville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Kenton, Cartersville, Dallas, Jasper, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Milton, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Powder Springs, Holly Springs, Adelsville, Hartley, and Hiram. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Doors. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockdale County in north central Georgia, Barrow County in north central Georgia, DeKalb County in north central Georgia, eastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, central Fulton County in north central Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tucker, or near Decatur, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Conyers, Winder, Monroe, Covington, Peachtree Corners, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Duluth, Snellville, Lilburn, Loganville, Chamblee, Norcross, and Doraville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Oh, man, it's gonna be all jacked.
It's okay. It's a generator.
Uncle, get back, yonder. Beach.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm
What?
for northeastern Georgia, Barrow County in north central Georgia, northwestern Morgan County in north central Georgia, east central Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, Clark County in northeastern Georgia, Walton County in north central Georgia, southern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, western Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Madison County in northeastern Georgia. Until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Lawrenceville to near Ebenezer.
The others, I can see him here.
Hazard.
You got pelted with debris?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville,
Oh my goodness.
No, it me to air in it while ago with that wind blowing. I'm making him get in. I told him when these winds fall out. Hit him in the head.
Winterville, Beauregard, Crawford, North High Shells, and
Did all the
Bethlehem.
other ones get back?
For your protection,
And Jack is just standing here on the porch. The three mama chickens have their babies underneath that bench over there.
1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report